Hello viewers, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about padding versus margin. So we'll see what is padding, what is margin, how to implement them, and what is the difference between padding and margin. Padding and margin both are the spacing properties which we use to style an element or alignment of the attributes or elements in a layout. Now let us see what is padding. So padding is a property which defines the white space inside a widget or a element content area. So if you consider this as your element or maybe your layout or view, whatever it is. So inside this, whatever the white space from the text from left hand side to right hand side and on the left or the top or the bottom. So this is what exactly it is called as a white space. So here we have different properties to set the padding. One is Android colon padding, which defines the white space on the sides over a content inside a view. Mostly we'll prefer this to work with the text views and the text alignments in a widget like edit text or any other address boxes and all. And another individual side properties are also available or attributes also available. They are like padding start. So the white space will be on the left hand side or the starting of your particular view, and the padding end means on the right hand side or the end of that particular content area the white space will be considered. If you assume this blue shade is completely your content area and the white space whatever you see is nothing but your padding end, which I defined that as an example 25 dp, and the padding top, so where the white space will be created on the top side of the view. Padding bottom will be created, white space will be created on the bottom of the content area in a view. Next, margin. So margin is a property which defines the white space outside of the widget, where if there is no elements, means if the elements whatever we are using in a layout design, if there is no margins specified for that, then automatically those two are going to be patched up or maybe bump each other. So the properties as usual, margin is going to create the white space all the sides of your view. Earlier it was all the sides of the content. Here it is going to be on the widget or view outside of the view. Next, margin start will create the white space on the left hand side of the view, and margin end on the right hand side, margin top above the widget, margin bottom below of the widget. So this is the difference between margin and padding. So how do you know when to use margin and when to use padding? So that's simple. When you want to differentiate two elements, then we'll go for margin. When you are trying to assign the content properly inside a view, we'll go for padding. So okay guys, that's all about padding versus margin. Thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next session.